you're probably wondering why the hell I am on the ground here with this enormous piece of paper, but today I am going to be heading to Erkendik Boulevard, this very leafy area, to shoot some free portraits for people who are walking past. In order to do this, I need to communicate that I'm doing free portraits. So I need to convert that from English to Russian. What I ended up doing was I wrote up exactly what I want to put on this big piece of cardboard, and I sent it to my friend Beta, who then gave it to her colleague, who is a local, to translate. Now I have the exact translation, but the only thing is I have to somehow write those characters on this big piece of cardboard, and then we should be good to go. I need to put all of that onto here. I am actually very impressed, just quietly, about how I did. It only took me one go to get this completely done. That is it here. It basically says, free portraits. My name is Matt and I'm an Australian travel blogger. Follow me here at Chocolate Blog. Maybe no one will come today. Maybe everyone will just laugh at me, but at the very least, I'm having fun. Honestly, I've never done this before. A little bit nervous. You gotta really put yourself out there. But, you know what? Fortune favors the brave. This is the boulevard right now. Behind me, it runs all the way down here. Where is the light good? Probably here. This is gonna be nice. Yes.
What about the picture you are making?
I'm just setting up first, and then I can take the pictures. You're from Bishkek?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yes.
Yeah,
Are you a student? Okay, cool. So I will set this up on my backpack, and then if you give me 5 minutes. I actually have it set up now. I'm pretty happy. And yeah, this is nice. It's standing basically behind my camera bag. Was I expecting this? No. But will I roll with it? Yes, I mean, look how many of them there are. Another day in the life of Chocolate Blog. Anyway. I mean, I don't even know what's going on anymore. I need to move because otherwise we're not going to get any content shot. See you. Bye. Bye. Okay, I need to go find somewhere else to shoot because legit, so many kids following me. I mean, look at all of them just. Да. Okay, хорошо. До свидания. Bye. Bye. I like actually this location because we have a nice consistent flow of people. It's not an onslaught as what it was over on that side. At the start, I was just frazzled. Honestly, there were so many people there. I was almost panicking a little bit. All right, the update is having some really great conversations. You get on the ground, you get to meet heaps of different people, and it gives you a chance to do something nice for people. That is a wrap on the shooting today. I've been here for almost 3 hours. It was a lot of fun because I managed to meet so many cool people. All that's left is to go back, I'll have a cold beer and then just chill out. So I'll catch you guys a little bit later.